A cast iron museum? Yeah. Welcome back, everyone. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and I am in South Pittsburg, Tennessee at the Lodge Cast Iron Museum, gift shop, and home of the Big Bad Breakfast. Tennessee, beautiful state, full of mountains, hills, and a lot of really neat history. And one of them is Lodge Cast Iron. But do you know the story or even how it's made? So while planning this trip using RV Life Pro and RV Life Trip Wizard, RV Life Trip Wizard can actually help you find a lot of campgrounds that you can stay at and get feedback from people who have actually stayed at these parks. So if you're ready to give RV Life Pro a try, click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Thank you for all of your support and happy camping. So what I would like to do in this video is take a look at the Lodge Cast Iron Museum, stop in at the Big Bad Breakfast restaurant, and stop at the gift shop. And I would like for you to come along. Quite a bit goes into making these amazing cast iron pans and cookware. From molding to pouring, shot blasting, you can see each step. On the top of the displays, you'll see a minute marker, 165 minutes. That's how long it takes to make a cast iron skillet. And still it ends up right here in packaging. It is honestly quite amazing to think just how far we've come in such a short time. There is a huge following for cast iron. Consider it a culture, if it were. Cast iron is huge in the outdoor and camping communities, where it can withstand extreme heat, even direct fire. Let's go take a look at Generations of Lodge. in case you need a larger cast iron skillet. 14,360 pounds, 12 feet in diameter. All right, so let's have a little bit of fun here. Let's play Lodge Cast Iron Mythbusters. One of the largest debates with cast iron is, should you use soap in your cast iron? And they're asking us to take a vote. So you can see that no soap is kind of winning here. I don't know, comment down below and let's get a little debate going on in the comments. This should be fun. Connected to the Lodge Cast Iron Museum is the Big Bad Breakfast Restaurant. It's food, and I'm going.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is that?
It's an iced pumpkin spice latte. Isn't it beautiful?
What do you think?
Yum.
I ordered the Smash Burger, which is a 3rd pound chuck burger, American cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle, mayo, and mustard. Missy, on the other hand, ordered the Big Bad Skillet, which is 3 eggs scrambled, bacon, sausage, ham, onion, potatoes, and cheddar cheese. And her food came in cast iron. Who would have thought? Now we're going to take a look at the gift shop for all your Lodge cast iron needs. Funny story, a much younger Chris Travels used to eat and drink this set together. But it didn't come in this amazing little box. There's also an incredible section called Factory Seconds, where there are minor little defects, hardly even noticeable a lot of times, and they slash the prices on them. So you really need to check out this section of the store for sure. There's even spots for RV and bus parking, along with a dog park to walk your dog. Just please remember, clean up after your dog. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make at the Lodge Cast Iron Museum, gift shop, and the Big Bad Breakfast. Lots of really great history behind this incredible adventure, as it were. And if you did enjoy this video, please do me a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Have you ever been to the Lodge Cast Iron Museum? Let us know in the comment section down below. I would love to know. And if there's anywhere else you'd like to see me go, please comment that as well. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.